Codeine on this bitch. If you got a BBL, I want you to back it up. Bro, start the Hellcat up, sound like a Tonka truck. Rap nigga flashing 30 bands, D-Rich stuck him up. A nigga playing Wild Sarlowski, I'ma fuck him up. Always invest my money in them bows, cause I double.
We got the diffuser carbon fiber with the brake light on it. I damn near gotta go get the carbon fiber splitter now. Cause I got the
It's only room.
false black, but yeah, we're about to get this thing off. We got the stock one right here. The stock one don't even look bad for real, honestly. It really don't even look bad.
Look better.
Yeah, it's gonna look better with that. I don't know the whole light part, bro. I don't know if you know, but
I probably don't have to run it up through like up here.
I knew it was some extra bullshit, bro.
You already know.
But I seen one on TikTok. I'm like, damn, I like that. The brake light low key go hard, but then I'm
The
like,
most complicated one.
but then I thought about it. I'm like, damn, I gotta put this together.
Yep.
And we got what's your dog name again?
Jax.
Jax. Being a bad boy over here. You good.
Come here. Give me this. Give me it. Sit. Sit. Shake.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Oh yeah, he got it down. So you gotta take these. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. I don't wanna.
Easy.
I guess. Look at that. It's just them little plastic cap things that snap in and unsnap them. Shit probably got hella fucking dirt from me. I did a couple right now.
Dirt and rubber.
Yeah, it's easy. Just 4 little things. I don't know why I was gonna take this in the shop and have somebody do it. Probably charge me $100 just to do this shit. But yeah, I did get the carbon fiber one with the brake light. So yeah. My boy Blake said, bring her through here, help me out. I ain't got no tools. That's something I'm about to go shopping for next for Christmas. I'm about my thing.
Harbor Freight was doing a Black Friday sale on toolboxes and all that.
When? Yesterday?
Yeah.
Damn, I missed it. And this is the part where you gotta be aggressive at. Oh, I got this part right here. These little cuts. Yeah. Y'all know them things. Keep her secured. These things right here, you gotta take them 4 things out, bolts, and then you take these, whatever they call it. He got the perfect tools for it too. Bitch is a bitch to get out too.
Yeah, I don't want to ever break it. I mean, we got a bunch of these clips, dude. Like a bunch.
What you call it does too. Who was all over there? Wait, I was doing. I had all trees. Oh, what the fuck got all these clips for?
Shit like this.
And then like I guess like when you pop the hood, it's a lot of these things too on the hood.
Yeah.
That's alright. I gotta come out. I got a good ass grip on it. It's damn near out. There we go. It's out. Damn near.
I just don't want to scratch the paint. That's
Right.
why I'm being easy. I'm like,
No, I get it, bro. Especially with white. It's like that bitch is damn near out. Look at that shit. They put that bitch on. They made sure they put that bitch in.
oh, I got my view.
Oh, so my tips aren't black. They just got black from fucking. I thought my tips were black.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell I was doing.
Oh. Look, just fucking. Oh. See, sometimes you just gotta work smarter, not harder.
Guess I didn't.
Oh, they gotta be such a bitch. I can't believe this dude just did this fucking exhaust by himself.
Under here. Where'd my phone go?
Let's see.
I just want to see how I'm going to get this out. Oh.
So after them 2 clips, it should come right out.
Yep, I see exactly how to put it up.
Get back to y'all when we get these 2 pieces out. Finally got that fucking clip out. That one right there. Down there, still hanging on for dear life.
That's great. Oh.
$1,000, they said. Uh-oh. That bitch wanna hang on.
Wow,
There we go.
the dirt. A lot of dirt.
God damn, brother, man. I guess he just got them little clips. That bitch hanging on, man.
I just don't want to break it.
Fuck it. Got that last fucking clip, but he basically got her done. I thought I had black exhaust tips, y'all. That was so silver. Bye-bye stock diffuser. It'll be on Marketplace. That's last time I fucking threw it away. And they're like, bro, those are still worth money.
They are.
Well, how much you think this would be, like 80 bucks or some shit? No, this probably a Hellcat one. It's probably like 120 or some shit.
Plus for 100.
Plus it for 100?
Yeah.
Come get it. First come, first serve, $100. That's low-key probably a deal, too. 'Cause this car brand new, so. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to watch a video of that.
Yeah, I just want to figure out how to. It didn't come with instructions? These motherfuckers.
I swear to God, bro, because I emptied the whole box out looking for instructions. It came with these bolts, and that's it. It came with 4 screws. This is what it came with, y'all. But I'm thinking what he said was right. It go up here, and this fucking thing right here.
This is just a pull. Okay, I see how to do this.
All right, so we had to get this wire up in here to connect to that piece.
His brake light.
The brake light. And he had to drill a hole through this cap, so the wire's gonna come up through here and connect to the brake light. So that's how we're trying to do it. So
We're gonna seal it back up. So
and then we're gonna seal it back up so no moisture gets in it or nothing. And I don't know what size he did or whatever. Don't know, but that's what he used to make the hole. And the wire fits perfectly in it. Did you know what size this was? I think it was like a half. I don't know. He used which one was it? 7 by 64. So he used 7 by 64 on this. But yeah, man, I thought it was gonna be, cause he had to tear the trunk apart, but yeah, we did drill the hole right here on this cap. So the wire's gonna come through here and run through here, and that's how we're gonna get the brake light. So yeah, this is gonna run through that hole. So yeah, man, pretty difficult. Not really difficult, just
not a super difficult task. Just
yeah. If y'all want to get with him, y'all get with him. He'll do yours for about a couple hundred labor. But yeah, I don't know why I got such a complicated diffuser. My last diffuser I could have did myself. It's just bolts, but them little clips. But I don't know why. I seen somebody with this on TikTok, and I was like, "What's the link?" And then he sent me the link, and I just got it. Not thinking about, damn, I'm gonna have to run wire through, drill a hole, and all this shit. I wasn't thinking about that.
Yep, nobody's thinking about that when you think about making your car pretty.
Yeah, so.
It's all the work that comes with it.
Yeah, so.
Well, either you do it or you pay for it.
Yeah, and thank God I got friends that know what the fuck they're doing. Shout out, bro. Because they probably would have charged me to do some shit like that. They would have charged me some shit. I already know they would have.
Yeah. They probably charge you like $300.
Yeah, probably charged me like $300 just to do that. But I can't take it back. It's already here now, so we gotta do it. You know what I mean?
I just cut the job short and be like, all right, I'm not finishing it.
Right. Yeah, we can't do that. So I'll keep you guys updated. So yeah, what we're gonna do? We're gonna run the wire through here, straight up towards the thing.
All the way to the tail light.
All the way to the tail light. So you had to take this part off. This ain't part of the other diffuser, or this is?
No, this is just a.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's a cover. So he took the cover thing off. That way we could run it through the cap thing. Okay, gotcha. All right. Yeah, we doing it our way. It works. Putting the clips in right now. Fucking ran a wire through. There's the wire we ran through.
You alright with sitting out on the ground?
Yeah. It's always a bitch getting the first couple in, then when they get in, it's like.
I hope so. Look at my phone so I can see.
Your phone's over there. Yeah. So yeah, we got the whole diffuser on, but we just can't get these two in right here, bro. It's like it won't fucking go, bro. Got the whole other shit in, but we can't get these fucking two to go in, bro. God damn, bro. Okay, so we got them in finally. Bro got fucking pissed.
Banged on it.
And started, bitch. So he hit on it hard as fuck. Like, he was hitting that bitch hard as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. And that bitch ended up going in. So you gotta manhandle these bitches, bro. Cause the little the rubber pieces or the plastic pieces are thick as fuck. So that's the only way it was gonna go in. Was it?
Now
Now we're gonna do the wiring. He got to which is called. You gotta do the other wiring. What's it called?
just fray the wire
fray the wire.
and put some. We'll put some electrical tape all around that and stuff. So get that all ready for you. And I'll wire it.
And then we got a silicone around that. So I guess I don't know how any water
moisture would get inside.
I don't know how any moisture would get down there, but you never know nowadays. What the fuck is that shit?
Like that that's that same shit that we were gonna use.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, we finally got it on though. So now let's hope this fucking brake light goes good.